So this is a gaming keyboard by HyperX, and it's the Origin 60. So it's the petite 60% form factor. It's a really nice keyboard. So this is what it looks like. It has the, backlighting. You can take the keys off, all that stuff. So it's good for PC, PS5, PS4, Xbox Series, Xbox One. Comes with a 2-year warranty, which is awesome. This thing is heavy. Like, the material it's made out of, it's a heavy duty keyboard. Hey. I'm not a gamer myself. This is what my son wanted, so that's what he got for his birthday, and he absolutely loves it. He has gone through a number of keyboards, and this is so far his absolute favorite one. To me, not really knowing anything about gaming, it just feels like the sturdiest. So yeah, super happy with it. Definitely recommend